had a lot of ferret toys around here. We have soft toys that make noise. We have plastic toys, squeaky toys, but the favorite toys are these little eggs. They call them crocheted eggs because they're actually a little plastic Easter egg that you can I've gotten them all at garage sales, and you crochet a little kind of wrapper for them. But before that, you open the egg and we put in pasta. So it's very, very safe. So just pieces of pasta. This is penne. Some people use the littler pasta, and each one gives a different sound, which is very good because the ferrets like variety. They certainly would enjoy the different colors. They're very soft. They don't look like this for a long time. They tend to, bite them, scratch on them, hug them, and really, really like them. They like to get them all together and put them in different spots in their cages. And when they want to play with them and carry them around, they make a little noise. So they're probably one of our top ferret favorites, is crocheted eggs.